Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are doing a
Q&A.
You guys asked us a bunch of questions on Instagram and we picked our favorites and we are going to answer them. Are you embarrassed to say your ages when people ask?
We have 7 years apart. She's older than me. I know it's kind of like it's weird. It's in Samoa it's called like Famoe Pipi.
Are you saying fa moi pepe?
Yeah.
Like you go and sleep with the baby?
Yeah. How you go like a lady to go to a young boy?
Cougar, that's the word.
What?
Cougar.
Cougar. Okay. It's not about age. It's not about how you get. It's not about rich or poor, but everything is about love. If you love each other, and that's the only thing that matters, right?
For me, I don't ever get embarrassed. In the beginning, I thought it was weird. Now, like, we have a family, we're married. I don't think it matters. I know you lost your virginity to Asuelu, but did Asuelu lose his virginity to you?
You answered it.
Asuelu was my first. I, however, was not Asuelu's first. I've been with one person. How many people have you been with, Asuelu?
One.
That's a lie. What made you realize that Asuelu was the one? I feel like I knew Asuelu was the one when we weren't together, just because, I don't know, it felt wrong when we were apart, like we needed to be together. What made you realize I was the one?
So when she came back with her sister and she came back, so I realized that she wanted to be with me, and I realized that that's the one. That's the one. Yeah. Walia. Kalani, you are my true love.
Oh, thank you.
That means that's mine. Walia. Kalani, it's my apple of my heart.
Oh.
And it's like a faspovi in my fatu. Yeah. So she's my faspovi.
That's not even your favorite food, though. I'm the palusami of your heart.
She want to be a palusami and I be like a taro, so I can mix together. Yummy.
What's on your bucket list? What would you guess is a bucket list?
Apple.
Okay. Do you have another guess of what a bucket list is?
Money.
Do you think it's a list of things you can throw in a bucket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chips, water, clothes, underwear, panty, bikini.
Minty. Those were great guesses, baby. A bucket list is a list you make of things you want to do before you die.
Wow. I want to go like a big truck and go in the zigzag thing, like humping, like that.
Go in the 6X thing and hump?
Like a big truck and drive in like area that. Rain.
Oh, like off-roading. Okay. What is hump?
Hump the. If you see the car, it's going hump. Hump.
Hump means something different.
Oh. Okay.
I know what I want to do. Oh my gosh. There's this place you can swim with stingrays, and those are my favorite animals, and I see people like take pictures with them, like holding them or touching them. I would die. This is a really funny one. Who is more likely to start making love?
Me! I'm the one that studying so hard and try to make her like me, but she just not.
I don't think you know what this question means, baby.
What?
That means who tries to have sex.
Oh wow. Hey. Not me. When you're in Samoa.
When I was in Taiwan, me. Who is it here?
Both.
Him. I feel like in the beginning of my pregnancy it was both of us, but now the farther I get, it's mostly you. How is Kalani as a kisser
Does she?
turn you on so fast and furious?
Yeah. She does know how to use the speed limit. She just 100 miles per hour. Wow.
I thought you said spit limit at first. I was like, that's disgusting. Do you like my kissing?
Yes. Sometimes.
What is when do you not like my kissing?
When you go over like 100, you should go 100. If you go 120, you like you're hungry.
Oh, like licking your face off?
Yeah.
That's not me, honey. That's you.
Honey.
Honey,
kiss
honey.
me, honey. Join me, honey.
If you kiss me like nicely, I like it. But when you go 100, as you said, it's just too much. You have a big old tongue. You have some big old lips.
Small. You?
I have a... What? What?
If she go to the competition, I recommend she's the winner of it.
Who is the funnier one and who is the more serious one?
Kalani is the funnier one, right?
I think we're both funny in our own ways.
I think that you the serious,
Yeah,
but we both funny.
yeah. What is the funniest joke you know?
What is the bird crying between two mountains?
He told me this and he said it was a fart. That's not a funny joke.
Why is it not funny?
You told me one about a toilet bowl that was actually really funny.
The what?
Oh, so many people asked me too, what was the joke you told me about how people have sex in the Falios? The answer was very slowly, and he did this like motion thing too. How many kids do you each want? Will there be any compromising? LOL.
Definitely, I want 4 kids.
Wow. It went from 6 to 4? Wow. I want a third, hopefully a girl, and then I want to be done. So I guess we will have to compromise.
If it's 6, 7, but boys, I will find a girl.
What do you mean you're gonna find a girl?
Yeah, I will find it.
Do you mean like adopt?
No. Find it from there.
What does that mean? So you're saying you're just gonna keep getting me pregnant until I have a girl? Wow, that sounds like so much fun. Favorite American and Samoa dish?
My favorite American food is steak. And my Samoan favorite food is oka.
Oh yeah. Then why am I not the oka of your heart?
You see the Vaspovi and the lololo of the Vaspovi, and that's how I lololo you to my heart, baby.
What does lololo mean?
Lololo, it's mean like delicious.
My favorite American food would probably be pizza. My favorite Samoa food would be balsamic entero. When I'm pregnant, I feel like that is just the most godly, delicious food on the planet. Who is the better cook out of you and Kalani?
She cook breakfast really nice.
Oh, thank you.
The egg fouillon and
I cook omelets, pancakes, toast. I feel like breakfast is the easiest meal to cook, so I am very great at cooking breakfast.
what I cook.
Asuelu is really good at cooking everything. I would have to say Asuelu is a better cook than me. Do you agree?
Think so.
So are you saying I'm a bad cook?
I'm the best cook. I'm the best chef.
You are. I saw the post where your sister said she initiated you guys' first kiss. Give us the details. So when I was in Samoa, I told my sister about the little pool boy that would follow me around and sing to me. You followed me around. I know you don't like me saying it, but you followed me around. And so she told me, like, you're on vacation, just have fun and kiss him. Basically, towards the end of my trip, my sister knew that we still hadn't kissed each other. So she told me the night before I was leaving to make sure that I kissed him before I left, or else I would regret it. So my sister really is the reason that we ended up, like, being a thing off and on, because she told me to kiss him. What do you find the most attractive thing is in each other? He's very funny. He's very sweet. And that's probably what made me first start really loving him.
Her personality is it's kind of 50-50. Sometimes she's so sweet and sometimes she's so not sweet. And I love her eyes.
Thank you.
I love her hair. And yeah.
I like your lips.
Oh my goodness. No. No, thank you. Don't like my lips.
Why?
What do you and Asuelu never agree on?
Video games. That's actually probably the biggest thing that we fight about. You don't just like to play 1 or 2 or maybe even 3 games. You have to play for hours at a time and then leave your headphones on. So I'm like, baby, baby, baby.
I hear you, I don't want to do what you want.
So you admit it. He finally admit. Now I have it on camera. Now I have proof.
Okay, next question.
You don't get a kiss. I'm gonna cut your earphones in half now. Did your dad suspect you and Asuelu in Samoa during the times you first met? No, Asuelu was very sneaky.
I was walking and you and your dad. So when I walking from this side, I didn't look at you because your dad faced to me. So I will bust your dad and be like, oh, wow.
I would have seen you because I kept watching you. No, you would, anytime you would see me with my dad, you would just be like, and not look anywhere because
No,
you're afraid.
no, that's how you do it.
Thank you guys for watching.
Whawhetai lava.
Whawhetai lava.
Male polo ole sorfanua.
Well, you say something about your balls?
No, that means have a nice and wonderful day.
Say it again.
Male polo sorfanua.
Why do I hear you saying polo? Are you joking with me? Because
No.
I thought that's Manuia Leaso.
No. Male
Male,
polo
polo,
ole
ole,
solo
solo,
fanua.
fanua.
Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
I think you're messing with me.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.